So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday 13th of December. XAUUSD, also known as gold. Now let's have a look what happened with prices more recently. So we've had this sell-off continuing to this trading range here in between 1251 and 1243. We've had a couple of tests, briefly broke below, and then we broke below it. More significantly, we didn't trade all the way down to the next level, that the level that we were looking at below 1243 and around that 1232, 1243. Sorry, 1232, 1233. Instead, we had a bit of a turnaround at 1236. Now, the turnaround was pretty strong, pretty swift. Very strong turnaround here. Pretty strong candles, sizable candles as well. So we've come back into the trading range in above this 1243. So if we do hold this 1243, we're potentially looking to target at 1251. We'd also have formed a head and shoulders pattern, well, an inverted head and shoulders. So we've got a shoulder there, we've got a head there. If we do hold this 1243, we'll be looking to have a shoulder there as well. So we're looking to target that 1251. So if we do go up to target 1251, we'll see how we react there. We do see some sell side momentum for a retest at 1243, or if we do break to the upside. Now, if we do break to the upside, we're potentially targeting the 200 period moving average just there in around 1260. A break above which we'll be looking for that 1263, which was which acted as a trading range earlier in the year between the 1263 and 1284. So we'll see our price react at 1263. If we do break above 1263, again we'll be targeting 1270, beyond which we're looking at 1276. Now we do have a fundamental catalyst out today on Wednesday. So we do have to be aware of that. There will be quite a bit of market volatility. Well, we are expecting some market volatility. There may not be. Good. The potential interest rate hike could possibly be already priced into the market, as it has been pretty well telegraphed. So again, looking at see our prices react around at 1263, possibly beyond that 1270, and at a push we'll be looking for that 1276, coupled with the 400 period moving average. We'd have to be a 200 period moving average as well. Now, if we do see a breakdown in prices from where we are at present, we'll see our prices react in and around the level that we've previously mentioned, 1232. If we do break from there, we've pretty much got clear sailing all the way up to 1214 essentially. We've got a minor level in around this 1220 to 1223, but I wouldn't expect that to hold. So I've marked it down in charts, but 1214 from 1233 would be the what we'd be looking for. But again, our move down to 1214 may not happen unless we have a very strong catalyst here on Wednesday the 13th. So if we do break down from where we are at 1243, again we might head down towards this 1220. That might be the far end of the range. At a push, we'll be looking for that test of that 1214.26, which is the next major level to the downside. So yeah, that should pretty much wrap up our analysis here on the hourly time frame. In light of we've mentioned trading range, we've mentioned the inverted and shoulders, we've mentioned the dynamic levels, and we've mentioned the horizontal levels to the upside and the downside. So we'll head over to the daily chart now. Over to the daily chart. Let's get on here correct. Over to the daily chart, we can see here we've got our head, we've got a lower high. So we've got a high, lower high, lower high. We've had this break of the 200, 400 period moving average. We've broken down. We've had continuation. We've broken down beneath the 1243. We've broken back into the channel. So again, we've mentioned levels to the upside, possibly going to test the. Actually, we could test the daily 200, but again, the daily 200 is above that 1263. So we'd first have to navigate the 1263, and again, if we do break down from where we are at present, we're looking to see our price react at 1232. Beyond which we're looking for 1220, and below that we're looking for 1214.26. Those are levels that we are looking at. Overall, we do seem a bit weak in light of the series of lower highs here on the daily chart. We've invalidated. This has become invalid. The double bottom here has become invalid as we have traded beneath it. We did see the weakness, and we did anticipate weakness based here. So we have seen it. Possibly, depending on what the catalyst is could potentially see a counter trend move. If the market has already priced in whatever the fundamental catalyst outlook is. So if the market has priced it in, we could potentially see some profit taking, and we might see a counter trend move, counter to what everybody expects. But overall, I think everybody's expecting a interest rate hike, so we may see further sell-off in the XAU against the USD. Now, I think that, well, that should cover everything in regards to XAU USD. And with that said, thanks for watching.